Hello, loves, and welcome to my channel. I am truly Tara, and here I do unboxings and reviews on beauty stuff, makeup, skincare, that whole thing. So today I have something new. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment. Thank you to those who have commented and subscribed. And we are at 143 now. So we are almost to 150. When we get to 150, it's going to be time for another giveaway. So yeah, let's get up there. So today I have trend mood, and trend mood is something that you already know what is coming in the box, so it's not going to be a surprise. But let's just go ahead and unbox this. And I really have only seen a couple of things. They release stuff like one at a time and kind of build you up. And it's kind of exciting. So, but I only seen like a few posts and I didn't want to see any more. I wanted to be surprised by it. So this was one thing that I seen. So let's start with the Coperie. I want to have to start figuring out how to say some of these names. So it is a Sun Shield Body Glow Gel. So that's kind of interesting. You've got something that will probably reflect the sun, but it's a SPF. That's very interesting. I've been seeing this brand a lot lately. This is not easy to open. Jeez, it's taped on there. And this still won't, there we go. Okay, good grief. Okay, so it's actually very cool. So I'm sure it's probably going to smell amazing, but I don't know. All right. Oh, it does. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. So that's a very coconutty, sunny, summery. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so let me see. Sun Shield Body Glow, Broad Spectrum SPF 50. 40-minute sweat and water resistant. Nice. Nice. Okay. I don't need a lot of SPF here in WV, but I do like the smell, so I would probably just wear it for the smell. Okay, next we have the Reset by Farsaly. Okay, I hate ripping the box. It makes me crazy. All right, so Renewal Fluid Cream. Brighten, smooth, and firm. So it has vitamin, let me see, THDA, vitamin C. It kind of looked like vitamin Q, but it's vitamin C. Niacinamide, 10 peptides, 5 ceramides. And it's got one of the tops, like, I've only seen this a few times with a couple other products. It is not coming out. So I must have to do something. Oh, nope, there it comes. Okay, so it comes out the top, like so. I'll put it on this end. It's not really thick. I like for my creams to be thick, but I mean, that doesn't mean that it's not going to work. So, I've never heard of that brand before, so I don't know. You guys let me know if you've heard of it. Green box. Again, it's called Farsaly, and it's called the Reset. Okay. All right. Okay, so next we have Bigger Than Beauty, Thrive Cosmetics. Looks like a waterproof liquid eyeliner pen. I think I need glasses. And now my hands are all, I can't get it off because my hands have cream and SPF all over them. There we go. Okay. So let's put that here. Yeah. I don't use a lot of eyeliners, gel eyeliners like that, or pens or whatever. But I mean, it works. Like, if I ever run out, I don't know, I'll probably put that in a giveaway. Okay, so let's go here. RMS Beauty Hydra Powder Blush. I'm pretty sure that I have one of these already. Maybe not. This does not look familiar, actually, now that I've opened it. The box looked familiar. Oh, ooh, look at that. It's pretty. Oh, yeah, we'll go ahead and try it. So that's an interesting color. I mean, is it a highlighter or is it a blush? What is it? Muay Thai, RMS Beauty. Redimension Hydra Powder Blush. So it says it's a blush, but it doesn't really come, I don't know, it's pretty orange. I don't know. Yeah, that's pretty orange. I don't know, maybe once you get it on, it looks different. But yeah, I'm not real thrilled with that color. Okay, now we have Impactful Semi-Permanent Smoothing Lipstick. I'm really hoping to get a plumper in one of these boxes. Yeah, I have not got a plumping. I think I got like a pineapple plumper once. Okay, so I like that packaging. Oh, wow. Did you see that? I did that and it came out the bottom. So that's interesting. Whoa, that's red. That is very red. So, I don't know. I check that out. Okay, so that's cool. All right. Next we have Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Sculpt Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. I don't have any Anastasia mascara, so I am, of course, her packaging is gorgeous. So I look forward to trying that. I don't have a lot of luck with mascara. I mean, you would think Charlotte Tilbury, which it's not just me because I gave my daughter the full fat lashes. I tried it a few times at work. I walk in the bathroom and I've got black under my eyes and it drives me nuts. So I've had pretty good luck with Il Makiage, and that RMS, I think it was RMS, the double-ended that I just got. Now that one worked pretty great, but Charlotte Tilbury, that there's just a few that like you would think that they would be excellent and they suck. So, and that's just being honest. Like, I love Charlotte Tilbury, but her mascara sucks. And another one is Better Than Sex. Everybody, every time I get on like Influencer, I see 500 posts and everybody's asking if that's a good mascara. And so many people will say yes. And it's like, no, it's not. It's horrible. That is one of the worst mascaras I've ever put on my eyes. Like, do not pay for that mascara. It's awful. Sorry. Just, it makes me mad because you pay a lot of money for something like that and you think for sure that you're going to get a good product and you do not. So last but not least, sorry for the rant, but it aggravates me whenever I get on, Facebook and this and that, and people are going on like it's still such a big thing. People are still talking about better than sex mascara being some kind of great thing, and I don't see why people think that, because every time I've used it, it has sucked. Okay, I'm going to shut up now. All right. Okay, so last but not least is Zit Sticka. Killer extra strength, fast acting patch for deep early stage zits. 2% salicylic acid. So they're patches? Oh, interesting. Very interesting. Okay, so I mean, actually, I don't know. Remember the plum serum that I got? I was so excited about it. So I used it with my Filgora and Cef shots. I'm out of this now, and I'm really sad about it because I really do feel like it helped my skin. I'll have to get another one at some point in time. But so I started using the Glow recipe with it, and I don't know, this past week, like I had a horrible, I don't know if you can still see it or not. Like that one's about gone, but I had a big place right here, and then I got another, it's still there, but my makeup covers it. I got these two big places, and it's like, is that like clogging my pores? What's happening? So I stopped using the serum for the last couple nights, and so everything's starting to clear. I'm going to try it again because I really want that serum to work. But what I was saying was I really don't suffer that much from zits. So I plan on giving these to somebody that I know does. And I will let you know. I mean, it's like, I think that it comes, there's like a little, I don't know if that's like wipes. Yep, time to prime. So I guess you wipe the area here, with these, and then you add this. And I thought that it was going to be a patch, but you might just open it and there's cream or something in there. I don't want to open it because there's only 4 of them. If there was more than 4, or, I would open it, but I would rather hold on to it and see how it works and find out. And okay, so they okay, that Zit Sticka, it came with this little thing, and it's 5 times better than your average acne patch. Available at zitsticka.com. Acne killer. Okay, so 4 out of 5 claimed their zit shrink after just 1 use. 4 out of 5 claimed it worked faster than other patches. And the key ingredients are niacinamide and 2% salicylic acid. So, and receive 10% off your entire purchase with code TRENDMOOD. I mean, I'm sure anybody can use that. So, yeah, that's it for that box. That was interesting. And they've already, I think my camera is starting to move down, sorry. So they've already started, this was box 20. They've already started working on box 21. And I think that if you put out a review on the box, they give you early access to the other box. So, or the one that's coming. All right, so that was fun. And there was some cool stuff in there. That is $46. The shipping was awesome because I ordered it and it was here within a few days. I do not think, yeah, because like I said, like they start showing you what's going to be in the box. Like they have these little things that they put out on Instagram. And so when the box became available, you got to jump on it. And I got it as soon as I seen that it was available, and it was here in a few days. So I got it yesterday and I ordered it, I think, Friday. So yeah, I'm super happy with anything that ships fast. I love. I can't stand. There's a couple of boxes that I get, and I've been waiting since last month on Filling Fab box. Like I ordered it, and I've already reached out to customer service and been like, "Where's my box at?" And so you order at a certain time in this month, and you don't get the box until the next month's stuff. So it's supposed to ship on the 14th. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting on that box. I hate that. Like, I feel like when you order something, you want it within, a few days. You don't want to wait a month to get, the next month's box. I don't understand why they do that, especially if you order pretty early in the month. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm just big on shipping, and I can't help it. So I'm gonna shut up now. And this box, 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5. It was pretty great. So all right, I'm gonna end it there, and I will stick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, because we are going to have a giveaway, and I have good giveaways. So all right, I'll see y'all in the next. Bye.